Excuse me. I got a class in a couple minutes. I was wondering if you could help me just briefly tell me the history of the Philippines.
Philippine history, right?
Philippine history.
On March 16, 1521, Magellan discovered the Philippines. Then,
2 hours later.
last week, the Pope visited us here.
Okay, wow. Hey, thanks a lot for the help. It's really given me a lot to think about. I gotta go to class now.